Guys, this is Felicity from ZW-A Machinery. Do you know this blue bag? It's called a fractal bag. Most people have one or two at their home. It was originally made to provide IT customers with a reliable bag to carry their new stuff home in. It's big and strong. When you are shopping, moving, and doing the laundry, anything can fit inside. And this bag made by our automatic double-handle bag making machine. ZW-A spent 1 year researching and developing this machine. We are the first company to have this machine, and one machine can replace 70 to 80 workers. It can not only save the labor and cost, but also improve the productivity a lot.